I am J. Dr. Sudhan Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I will discuss some technique of integration. If the integration of the type integral of px plus q to ax square plus bx plus c, then how we can solve it? Here we can solve. We see the method by the question integral of 3x plus 2 to 4x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. Let 3x plus 2 is equal to a differentiation coefficient of 4x square plus 4x plus 5 plus b. On solving, this can be written as 3x plus 2 is equal to a in bracket 8x plus 4 plus b. This is equation a. On comparing, we can write 3x plus 2 is equal to 8ax plus 4a plus b, that is 8a is equal to 3, so a is equal to 3 by 8. Similarly, 4a plus b is equal to 2, that implies b is equal to 2 minus 4a, so b is equal to half. Now from equation a, put the value of a and b. So this can be written as 3x plus 2 is equal to 3 by 8 in bracket 8x plus 4 plus half, or 3x plus 2 in bracket 4x square, 4x square plus 4x plus 4, 5 is equal to 3 by 8, 8x plus 4 root 4x square plus 4x plus 5 plus half root 4x square plus 4x plus 5. On integrating with respect to x, integral 3x plus 2 root 4x square plus 4x plus 5 dx is equal to 3 by 8 integral 8x plus 4 root 4x square plus 4x plus 5 dx plus half integral root 4x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. This is equation b. Now taking integral 8x plus 4 root of 4x square plus 4x plus 5 dx. Let 4x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to t. Then 8x plus 4 dx is equal to dt. Integral root t dt is equal to 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2. Now put the value of t. Then 2 by 3 4x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 3 by 2. Now again taking integration of root 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Now 4 is common and out from the root. Then this can be written as integral of 2 root x square plus x plus 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. Plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 is added and subtracted for making the perfect square. Then this can be written as 2 integral root x plus half to the whole of square plus 1 square dx. Let x plus half is equal to t, dx is equal to dt, so this will be 2 integral root t square plus 1 square. Now we know integral root x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root x square plus a square plus a square upon 2 log of root x square plus a square plus x. So 2 root t square plus 1 square dt is equal to 2 in bracket t half root t square plus 1 square plus 1 by 2 log t plus root t square plus 1 square. Now put the value of t, then x plus half root x square x plus half to the whole of square plus 1 plus log x plus half plus root x plus half to the square plus 1. Now from equation b, this is 3 by 8 into 2 by 3 x 4x square plus 4x plus 5 to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 in bracket x plus half into root x plus half to the whole of square plus 1 plus log of x plus half is 2 x plus half to the square plus 1. Thank you.